Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about objective type questions in 3D coordinate system, level 3 pattern type. These are 6 important models, very important for JEE mains. Here, level 3, 10th question. A triangle ABC is placed so that the midpoints of the sides are on the x, y, z axis. Length of the intercepts made by the plane containing the triangle on these axes are respectively alpha, beta, gamma. Coordinates of the centroid of the triangle ABC are. Here the 4 options are given. In this question, here in a triangle ABC, the midpoints of the sides intercept the coordinate axis. This is a diagram. This is the triangle ABC. This side AB, this is the midpoint of D. Intercept on x-axis. First intercept, 0 to origin. This is origin to D. This is the distance is alpha is given. The D coordinates alpha, 0, 0. Next side AC, the midpoint intercept on y-axis. The coordinates BE equal to 0, beta, 0. Here the next side BC, the midpoint intercept on z-axis. The coordinates 0, 0, gamma. Here D the midpoint of AB, E the midpoint of AC, F is the midpoint of BC. In this question, D equal to alpha, 0, 0, E equal to 0, beta, 0, F is equal to 0, 0, gamma. Here to find the centroid of the triangle ABC. Centroid of the triangle ABC is equal to centroid of the triangle DF. Midpoints centroid and vertices centroid is same. Centroid of triangle ABC is equal to centroid of triangle DEF. If x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3 centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. Here centroid of triangle DEF, the x coordinates alpha plus 0, alpha by 3, 0 plus beta 0 by 3, beta by 3, and z coordinates 0 plus gamma by 3, gamma by 3. This is the centroid of the triangle ABC. Alpha by 3, beta by 3, gamma by 3. The fourth option is the right one. Question number 11. The equation of motion of a point in space is x equal to 2t, y is equal to minus 4t, z equal to 4t, where t is measured in hours and the coordinates of moving point in kilometers. The distance of the point from the starting point O 0, 0, at the end of 10 hours. Here given x equal to 2t, y is equal to minus 4t, z equal to 4t. In this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate and this is the z coordinate. Here y coordinate is negative. Let P equal to 2t, minus 4t, 4t be a point in space. Be a point in a space. Here the diagram representation. This is x-axis. Here y coordinate is negative. This is octant y dash. Next z. The z coordinate is positive z. This is O, X, Y dash, Z. The point P lies in a space. To find the distance from point O to P. O equal to 0, 0, 0. Here time t is given 10 hours. Time t is equal to 10 hours. To find distance between OP, square root of 2t minus 0 whole square 4t square, minus 4t minus 0 whole square 16t square, 4t minus 0 whole square 16t square, 16 plus 16 32, 32 plus 4 36t square, square root of 36t square 60. Here t is 10, 6 into 10, 60 kilometer. This is the answer. Third option is correct. Question number 12. The distance of point capital A minus 2, 3, 1 from the line PQ through P equal to minus 3, 5, 2, which make equal angles with the axis. Here the four options are given. In this question, the distance of a point, the capital A is given here, capital A minus 2, 3, 1. Here PQ is the line. The distance of the point A to the line PQ. Here to find this distance, AM distance. In this question, ask to find AM distance. Here PQ, this is the PQ line. This PQ line which makes equal angle with the axis. That is alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma equal to equal angle. Alpha equal to beta is equal to gamma. Here capital A equal to given minus 2, 3, 1 and P is given minus 3, 5, 2. Equal angles. PQ line makes equal angles. PQ line makes equal angles with axis, coordinate axis. We know that alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. The DCs of PQ plus or minus 1 by root 3 comma plus or minus 1 by root 3 comma plus or minus 1 by root 3. Direction cosines of PQ here taken positive values 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3. If the line makes equal angles, then DCs of PQ equal to 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3 comma 1 by root 3. Here to find the point A, the distance from A from the line PQ. This is the PQ line, this is the point. To find the distance A to M, this is the projection here 90 degree. First to find the PM distance. PM is the projection of AP on PQ. This is the formula. PQ direction cosines of PQ, LMN. These are the LMN. Next, to find AP, direction ratios. Direction ratios of AP. Direction ratios of AP. Here, to find direction ratios of AP, minus 2 plus 3, 1, 3 minus 5, minus 2, 1 minus 2, minus 1. This is A, B, C, direction ratios of AP. To find this length PM, PM equal to projection of AP on PQ, projection of AP on PQ. Formula mod AL plus BM plus CN. Here the A value 1, 1 into 1 by root 3, B minus 2 plus into minus 2, M 1 by root 3, C minus 1 into 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 get cancelled. Here modulus of minus 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3. Here the PM value is there. PM equal to 2 by root 3. But to find AM, to find AP distance, square root of distance between AP minus 2 plus 3 plus 1 whole square 1, 3 minus 5 minus 2 whole square 4, 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square 1 root 6. Here to find, this is the projection line is always perpendicular. To find length AM, this is right angle triangle, AP is the hypotenuse. Triangle AMP is right angled triangle. To find the length of AM, hypotenuse square minus side square. AM is equal to square root of AP square minus PM square. Here the value of AP square, AP root 6 whole square 6, PM square 2 by root 3 minus 4 by 3, 3 6 18 minus 4 14, root 14 by 3 is the answer. That is second option. Question number 13. In three-dimensional coordinate system, P, Q and R are images of a point capital A, B, C in the xy, yz and zx planes respectively. If G is the centroid of triangle PQR, then area of triangle AOG, here O is the origin. These are the four options given. In this problem, capital A is given A, B, C. Here P is the image of xy plane, the point. P is the image of A with respect to xy plane. The coordinates, here z coordinate is negative, A, B, minus C. Q is the image of A with respect to yz plane. Here the x coordinate is negative, minus A, B, C. R is the image of A with respect to zx plane. Here y coordinate is negative, zx plane, A, minus B, C. Here to find the centroid of PQR is G. G is the centroid of triangle PQR. Centroid, here the x coordinate A minus A cancelled, A by 3, comma, B minus B cancelled, B by 3, comma, minus C plus C cancelled, C by 3. This is the centroid of triangle PQR, G is the. Here to find the area of triangle AOG. Here capital A is A, B, C in vector form AI, BJ, CK. And O is the origin 0, 0, 0. 0I, 0J, 0K. And centroid G is the A by 3, B by 3, C by 3. Here A by 3I in vector form, B by 3 J, C by 3 K. To find the area of triangle AOG. area of triangle AOG of modulus of OA cross OB. Here to find OA cross OB, OA cross OB, I, J, K. Here the coefficients OA, AI minus 0, AI, BJ minus 0, BJ, CK minus 0, CK. Here A, B, C. OB, OB value to find OA, OG. To find central triangle OA, OG, OG. Here A by 3 minus 0. This is A by 3. B by 3 minus 0, B by 3. C by 3 minus 0, C by 3. I bar, J bar, K bar, A, B, C. In third row, 1 by 3 is the common. 1 by 3, A, B, C. In a determined two identical rows are there. Then the determinant value is 0. This is the 0. 1 by 2 into 0, 0. Area of triangle AOG equal to 0. Question number 14. Alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of x cubed minus 2x square minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Centroid of the triangle with vertices is given. Alpha comma beta comma gamma comma beta comma gamma comma alpha comma gamma comma alpha comma beta. Here the four options are given. This is the cubic equation x cubed minus 2x square minus x plus 2 equal to 0. In a theory of equation, the cubic equation condition is one concept. This is the cubic equation x cube plus p1 x square plus p2x plus p3 equal to 0. In this cubic equation, roots alpha comma beta comma gamma. Here s1 is the s1 equal to minus p1. Here the roots are sum alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus p1. S2 equal to P2, here the condition alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to P2. S3 equal to minus P3, here product of roots alpha beta gamma equal to minus P3. In this equation, P1 is equal to minus 2, P2 equal to minus 1, P3 equal to 2. The roots are alpha beta gamma given in problem alpha comma beta comma gamma. To find S1 equal to minus P1. S1 sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus P1. Here P1 minus 2 plus 2. This is the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Next to find S2. S2 equal to P2. Alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha equal to P2. Alpha beta. Here P2 value is minus 1. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to minus 1. Next to find S3 equal to minus P3. Here product of roots alpha beta gamma. Here P3 value 2 minus 2. Alpha beta gamma value is minus 2. Here the vertices of the triangle is capital A is equal to alpha beta gamma, capital B equal to beta gamma alpha, C equal to gamma alpha beta. Here to find the centroid, G is equal to x coordinates alpha plus beta plus gamma by 3 comma in y coordinates beta plus gamma plus alpha by 3. The z coordinate gamma plus alpha plus beta by 3. In cubic equation alpha plus beta plus gamma is 2. Here 2 by 3 Beta plus gamma plus alpha is also 2, 2 by 3, comma 2 by 3. The centroid of the triangle is 2 by 3, comma 2 by 3, comma 2 by 3. This is the third one is the correct one. Question number 15. If origin is the orthocenter of triangle followed by the points cos alpha, comma sin alpha, comma 0, cos beta, comma sin beta, comma 0, cos gamma, comma sin gamma, comma 0, then sigma cos of 2 alpha minus beta minus gamma. Here the four options are given. This is the direct question. Here one concept, if the vertices are in the form of capital A equal to cos alpha, comma sin alpha, comma 0, B equal to cos beta, comma sin beta, comma 0, C equal to cos gamma, comma sin gamma, comma 0. These vertices, the triangle form ABC is a equilateral. Here alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, take 60 degree. Here capital A equal to cos alpha, comma sin alpha, comma 0, B equal to cos beta, comma sin beta, comma 0, C equal to cos gamma, comma sin gamma, comma 0. Here triangle ABC, the direct one, triangle ABC is an equilateral. Here the vertices angle, here the taken alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 60 degree. This is the concept. To find sigma cos of 2 alpha minus beta minus gamma is equal to sigma cos of 2 into 60, 120 degree, minus 60, minus 60, 120 degree minus 120 degree, 0 degree. Cos 0 degree is 1, sigma 1. Here expansion 3 times, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. The answer is 3. This is the fourth option. Okay, if you like this video, please share and subscribe. This is the end of the 3D coordinate system, objective type questions. Next video, direction ratios and direction questions. If you have any doubt, drop them in the comment section for problem point of view. All the best.